So first of all, trademarks. A lot of people get trademark and copyright confused. They don't really know what the difference is. Well, trademark is really about identifying the source of goods. It's a name associated with your company's product so that consumers, when they buy that product, they know what they're getting. So it's the identification of origin. And all that goodwill associated with your company is tied up in that trademark. You can have marks of kind of different characters. If it's a very generic name, you're not going to get any trademark protection for it because it's a very generic term that's known, and it wouldn't be fair to associate that with your particular company and your goods and services. And then all the way from generic to descriptive, suggestive, to the arbitrary and fanciful. And of course the last being providing the strongest protection. You know, Amazon as a name for an online bookseller is a very distinctive mark because it's fanciful and arbitrary. But for, you know, if your company was providing guided tours through the Amazon rainforest, that would be a horrible name for your company. So it's all relative. It depends on what your company is and what your products and services are. Trademark protection is fairly easy to obtain. There's a registration procedure. You can do it online in frankly 10 minutes. There are some things you need to be careful of. So while you can do it yourself, it's always a good idea to get input from people who have done it before, or, you know, perhaps an IP attorney. Trademark maintenance. It's important that trademarks identify your product or service as an adjective. You don't want to use it as a noun. That can lead to what's called genericide, which is what happened to aspirin. They lost the rights to that name because everyone just referred to generically the thing as an aspirin. I think Kleenex, Band-Aid, and Xerox were on the verge of genericide, and they managed to rehabilitate their marks by policing it and making sure that people didn't misuse that. So it's a Band-Aid brand adhesive bandage. It's not a Band-Aid.